In this video, we are going to learn how to do away with certain things, how to clear certain things in our phone in order to get more space to use. In fact, we are going to use the WhatsApp method. We are going to use the WhatsApp method. There are certain things we do on WhatsApp that go on to pile up to take away all our memory, take away all our space. So without wasting my time, let's go click on WhatsApp. Click on the three dot at the right corner there and go to settings. Now, when you are here, you go to storage and data. So go to storage and data. Now look at the top there. Manage storage. You click on it. You see, it's going to load all the groups that we have joined. All the groups that we've joined. It's going to load them for us. Some of the groups, we have some useless things in the group. Some pictures we don't need, some videos we don't need, some audio recordings that we don't need. All will be piled up to take up our space. So let's go to, for instance, let me go to this place. Now look at this. Look at the things that have downloaded automatically on this particular phone. I don't need them, but it has been downloaded automatically here. So what will I do? I'll just click on select all. I'll click on select all. But some of the things I think I need, I'll just click on it. I'll click on it and then select those ones. And the ones I don't need, I'll just do away with them by deleting them. Look at all this. I don't need it. I don't need all this. Look at all this. Look at this. You don't need all this. So I'll click on select. I've selected all, then I'll go to delete. And it will delete all these items that I don't need. To delete them and free up space. Let's go to another group. Let's say this one. Look at all this. I don't need all this. This is not something I need on my phone. But look at this. It's being downloaded here automatically. There's a reason why this is happening. So I'll go and show you what you can do so that files like this will not download onto your smartphone automatically. You need to watch settings that you need to do so that to prevent this. So I'll delete these two to free up space. I will delete this one also to free up space. You see? Now you can go on to do for all the groups that you join. You can do it for all the groups that you join and then you free more space. Now, the reason why this is happening. Let me teach you why this is happening. For instance, let me select this group. You see, I'm in this group. There's a reason why these things are downloading onto my phone automatically. Now, click on the top, the name of the group, click on it, and then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see media visibility. Click on media visibility. You see, my own, I have turned it off. Let me see other group that is not turned off. I will show you something. Very good. Now look at this group. Show newly downloaded media from this chart in your device gallery. You see, when you go to default, that means anything that has been sent to this group will be downloaded onto your phone automatically without you yourself downloading it. provided you have data. Provided you have data. That's these two options, yes and not default. So I don't want to download things onto my smartphone automatically. I want to be selective as and when I need it before I will download it. So I will go and select no. Select no. You see, so when you select no, videos, audios, pictures will not be downloaded onto your phone automatically. And this will help to free up space. You see, this will help you to free up space. So go on and do this to all your groups that you are in, and go and check your memory. You will be amazed at the space that you get out of this. Thank you very much. If you like this video,